Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your cold emails with MailChimp. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your MailChimp account. Navigate to the Campaigns section from the dashboard. Click the Create Campaign button to start a new project. Select email as your campaign type. Give your campaign a descriptive name to easily identify it later. Choose your audience from the drop-down menu. In the Campaign Builder, click on Setup. Fill in the from name and from email fields with recognizable details. Craft a compelling subject line that piques interest but remains concise. Consider personalizing the subject line with the recipient's name for a stronger connection. Move to the Content section by clicking on Design Email. Choose a template that suits your brand and the message you wish to convey. Use a clear and professional header that reflects your email's purpose. Add engaging content to the body of your email. Keep your language concise, clear, and jargon-free. Incorporate bullet points or numbered lists for readability. Include a clear call to action that guides the recipient on what to do next. Ensure your email is mobile-friendly by previewing it on different devices. Use the preview and test features to send a test email to yourself. Check for any spelling or grammatical errors before finalizing. Return to the Campaign Builder and click on Confirm to review your settings. When ready, click the Send button to launch your cold email campaign. Monitor the performance metrics in the Campaigns section after sending. Analyze open rates, click-through rates, and responses to gauge effectiveness. Use these insights to refine your future cold emails and optimize your approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.